Hey, I'm Jason Parker. This is my bike check. Hi. I'd like to thank Freestyle Now. Pretty much all the parts. I am running an S&M intricate frame. It's based on the old S&M Sabbath, similar tube lengths and geometry. Running the S&M seat and pole. Colony bars, colony fork, colony hubs and rims. Wheels were built by Mike B and got colony 990 brakes front and back, Odyssey gyro, Odyssey brake levers, Primo crank. I've got my profile chainring and yeah, United tyres, ABD pegs. So yeah, I'm stoked. It's super light. It's a lot better than what I'm used to. It's cool. Love it.